What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. In our last episode you guys saw how we fired up this engine for the first time after sitting for over 20 years. So now what we're going to be doing is taking this engine out, cleaning it up a little bit, cleaning all the frame, and hopefully we can get ready for painting. So stay tuned. First thing that we'll be doing on this engine is draining the oil. We have our bucket right here, and it's a 5/8 wrench, and it's on the right hand side. So let's get at it. Looking at this setup here on the Bolens, I can't really move the engine forward off the drive shaft to then take it up and out. So what I'm going to have to be doing is taking all this electrical out, the steering column, and all this right here behind the engine, so I can access that and then lift the engine straight up. Right here's the wiring harness. Alright, so this lever right here is put together just like a chain would be put together, and it has this safety pin right here. So what you need to do is latch it in and then bring it over the next one. Okay, so the only thing left holding this is here on the bottom for the steering column. We have a pin and some washers, and once we take that off we can lift this whole panel off and hopefully we can get to the engine. Okay, so this right here is actually pretty simple to take apart. It looks really hard because probably the wiring harness was there and all that, but it actually came off so much easier than I thought it would. I will be taking off this distributor right here. I do see a lot of oil around here, so it could be that there's some seals that are gone, and this temperature sensor right here, I believe, could be leaking here somewhere as well. So this will be coming off, and I'll be resealing all the connectors again. So now for the next step, what we're going to be doing to take this engine off will be to, I don't know if you guys can see it right here, removing this drive shaft right here. So what we're going to have to do is slide this engine forward a little and then lift it up. That will make it much easier, and then from there we'll start sanding this frame down, cleaning the engine inside properly, tearing everything apart, and get this Bolens back together. Everything went super smooth. We have it now on this trolley. We're going to bring it into the shop and tear it down into bits and pieces, clean everything, and hopefully we can get it looking like new again. So now for the frame, since it's really dirty, what we're going to be doing is cleaning everything once more and taking all the bits and pieces off that we need to before we come in here for sanding, and then we're going to be ready for primer and paint. So first off, what we will be doing is taking off this end of the U-joint. It is pretty tight on the crank, and after that we'll move on to remove this heat shield right here. Since the 2-prong puller didn't work, we stepped it up a notch and took a 3-prong puller, which is much stronger. We also have a 3/4 inch bolt in there, so hopefully this will work. Yeah, I see it moving. It's coming off slowly, so you need something really heavy duty.